Hello everyone, welcome to my channel IELTS at Ease. Today I am going to discuss a new cue card that is recently asked from one of my students in the final exam. The cue card is: talk about an occasion when someone made noise that disturbed you. The bullet points are: when it happened, where it happened, how the noise disturbed you, what you did about it. The noise pollution has been on the rise in recent times, therefore, it has become one of the major concerns. Although there have been various incidents when I confronted this problem, here I would like to talk about a particular time when I got frustrated due to an excessive amount of noise in my neighborhood. I vividly remember a couple of years ago when I was preparing for my exams, I heard a loud sound of music outside. It was our neighbor Mr. Mehta, who lives adjacent to my house. His son was going to get married, so they were celebrating the marriage function. They arranged a DJ system and played music which was extremely loud. Everyone was dancing and screaming, due to which I could not concentrate on my studies properly. Luckily, I had their contact number, so I called and requested them to keep the volume low. But they turned a deaf ear to my request and continued to raise the roof. I was left with no choice but to bear the noise. In order to focus on my studies, not only I locked the door but also used my earplugs. But all my efforts were in vain. I was so much irritated that I finally decided to go to my friend's house for my exam preparation. I went there at 3 p.m. and studied there till 9. Fortunately, I passed my exams with flying colors, but I could not understand how some people could be so irresponsible that they take everyone for granted. Though I have faced many difficult situations in my life, that was the worst experience of noise pollution I ever have had. Now we will move to the follow-up questions. The first question is: do you dislike noise? The answer is definitely yes. Noise is something that drives me mad. I can't bear any type of loud noise around me, as it is difficult to focus on my work or study. Since I am working, I need peace and calm atmosphere to concentrate on my work. That is why I dislike noise. Our second question is: what type of noise are there in your daily life? The answer is, well, it varies. There is a sound of honking horns, traffic, machines, and so on. The most irritating one for me is the noise of lightning and thunderstorm, because I suffer from astrophobia. Whenever there is a such kind of atmospheric noise, I prefer to be at my home. The third question is: do you think our cities are becoming noisier? The answer is absolutely. People who are living in cities are exposed to a higher amount of noise pollution as compared to those who reside in rural areas. There are sounds of industries, traffic, constructions in the cities which affect the life quality of the people. Our fourth question is: how does that affect people's health in your opinion? The answer is, as per me, it has several devastating consequences on the health of the residents. First of all, it is not good for their mental health, as people find it hard to sleep and have rest during noise. Also, individuals are facing the issue of a higher level of stress, poor concentration, and less productivity.